Aigithia a mugunda wa Summerland uria ni tafarira ya kabuni ya migunda ya Gakuyu magukorwo mari a mbere kugunika na kwamukira taito cia migunda yao kuma riria maundu mahitanire gwa Gakuyu thutha wa kabuni no iria icokereirie mihango ica ikuhi kwambika mutaratara wa gukurana taito iria cikurekererio kwa ihinda ria ciumia igiri ciukite. Murugamiriri munene wa kabuni no Gladys Muriithi na wakili wao Stanley Ngutuli makiaria na aria magurite mugunda wa Summerland mugite mihango iria itigarite no kugarura taito ya mugunda uyu nginyagia maritwa-ini ma andu kiumbe.
So what we really want to do is to deliver to the people of Kenya as Gakuyu Real Estate to ensure we promise them.
Aigithia a Summerland maugite matitete mwihoko na kabuni ya Gakuyu magikiaritana kuri kabuni no kwirutaniria gukinyaniria ciraniro kuri ameba.
The titles are to be processed and within 1 month, as we continue to pay, we will be receiving our titles. And we are happy to hear that.
Na waria mwonjorithitie na tafarira ingĩ cia Gakuyu Muriithi akimoria kugia na wetereri amukwa ihinda ria mieri 6 yukite maundu mao magukorwo marumbuitio.
Gakuyu Real Estate, we are here to deliver to them. To those who have no hope left, I want to assure you that we are going to do all that we can to give you hope again.
Gucokereria kwa mihango gwa kabuni ino na Sacco Muruna ya Ekeza ni kurehete mwihoko kuri andu aingi aria marari kigera-ini gia kurwo ni mbeca na migunda yao. Sacco ya Ekeza ikoretwo mutondo-ini wa mathire gwa kahinda ona gutuika mitaratara ya gucokeria amemba aria metitie mbeca ciao ni yambiriirie guku makiuria aria moete ngombo na Sacco ino gucokia ihinda-ini ria kwiyukireria ringi. Handu-ini ha metha ya mohoro ya Kameme TV, Gitagwo Mwangi wa Wambui.